In a quiet town, a widow named Mary found herself overwhelmed by the weight of her loss and the burden of maintaining her home alone. One day, without warning, a kind stranger appeared, determined to help her rebuild her life by constructing a cozy new house just for her. Every day, the stranger diligently worked on the house, pouring his heart and skills into every nail and beam, while Mary looked on, her heart swelling with gratitude as she witnessed his selfless act of kindness unfold. As the days passed, the once empty shell transformed into a beautiful home, and with each conversation shared between Mary and her stranger friend, an unexpected bond grew filled with laughter and warmth. On the day of the housewarming, with friends and neighbors gathered, Mary stood beaming with joy, grateful not only for her new home, but also for the friendship blossoming from an act of pure kindness that would forever change her life. As Mary embraced her rescuer, their hearts intertwined through the simple yet profound act of kindness that brought together two souls on a journey of healing and friendship, reminding everyone present that compassion could create miracles. Lost in the warmth of her new home, Mary stumbled upon an old family photo album, and as she flipped through its pages, a sense of curiosity ignited within her, unveiling long-hidden secrets about her family's past. With each turn of the page, Mary discovered more about her heritage, and when she found an unexpected letter hidden within the album, it sparked a quest to unravel the truth behind her family's untold history. With newfound resolve, Mary reached out to her long-lost relative, excitedly sharing her discoveries while meticulously mapping out the journey that would lead her to uncover the hidden chapters of her family's legacy. Arriving at the impressive estate, Mary felt a rush of emotions flooding over her as she knocked on the door, unsure of what to expect, until it opened to reveal a man who mirrored her features, a living link to the family she had long been searching for. As they shared stories and laughter over well-worn family heirlooms, Mary felt a profound sense of belonging wash over her, discovering not only her roots, but a lineage that had shaped her very identity. In the dusty corners of the estate, Mary uncovered a treasure trove of family relics, each piece whispering tales of generations gone by among them, a stunning locket that held the visage of someone who looked just like her. As shadows danced in the flickering light of the fireplace, Mary and her newfound relative bonded over cups of tea, weaving together the stories of their shared past, creating a beautiful narrative that reignited the spirit of family. In a heartfelt gesture to commemorate their reunion, Mary and her relative planted a young tree in the garden, a living testament to their bond and the legacy of family that would continue to grow through the years. As the sun began to set, Mary felt a sense of closure and excitement, clutching a scrapbook filled with her family's history, ready to embark on a new chapter where the past and future intertwined. Back in her own home, Mary gathered her loved ones around her, eager to share the rich tapestry of stories and treasures she had unearthed, celebrating not just her ancestry, but the powerful bonds of family that now felt even stronger. In a peaceful park, Mary sat with her scrapbook lost in thought as she reflected on her ancestry, feeling a profound connection to those who came before her. Each page a bridge to her family's legacy. Empowered by her journey, Mary took the initiative to host a workshop at the community center, igniting excitement in others about uncovering their own family histories, fostering a sense of community through shared exploration. With newfound confidence, Mary addressed a captivated audience at the library, eager to inspire others with her own story of discovery, encouraging them to delve into their ancestral roots and uncover the rich histories waiting to be revealed. As the evening unfolded, Mary and her friends shared heartfelt stories of their heritages, laughter echoing through the room, each tale weaving a deeper understanding of their roots and how they shaped their present. Determined to deepen her understanding, Mary spent afternoons at the historical archive, each new discovery filling her with joy as she pieced together the lives of her ancestors through their handwritten letters and faded photographs. Standing before the old family home where her ancestors once lived, Mary snapped a photo, feeling a wave of nostalgia. And as she found an ancient key on the premises, it sparked a flood of possibilities for uncovering the secrets hidden within her family's past. At a joyful family reunion, Mary embraced her grandmother, surrounded by relatives, united in laughter and stories cementing the connections that had been uncovered through her journey of exploration. In her home office, Mary immersed herself in crafting a beautiful scrapbook, blending creativity with research, each page a celebration of her heritage that would be treasured for generations to come. With passion and joy, Mary visited local schools to share her family stories, captivating the young audience with vivid illustrations, igniting a spark of curiosity about their own lineages and the importance of history. At the local historical society meeting, Mary confidently presented her research, captivating the audience with her family's rich history, fostering a sense of pride and connection among attendees eager to explore their own